Asking a seller for the financial details of their dental practice can feel pretty intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The reason it feels intimidating is because you're asking for revenue, profit margin, overhead, and so on. And that's some awfully personal information. But the thing is, buying a dental practice is pretty personal. So as long as you do it right, it's actually a natural part of the process. Here's how to make it feel unnatural. By asking for financials first thing, or out of the blue. But if you've found a practice, reached out to the dentist, and visited the practice, things are getting pretty serious. Suddenly, it's very natural to ask for financial information. I love your practice, you can say. I'm going to chat with my accountant about what financial info we need to take the next step, and I'll send that request over to you in the next few days. Would that be all right? Did that seem invasive or rude? Of course not. It's all part of the process. And getting that financial information is a vital part of deciding whether a practice is the right one for you to buy. So don't put it off. Just make sure you do it right. To learn more about how to approach a seller about their financials and what you're looking for once you get them, grab a free copy of my book, How to Buy a Dental Practice, at dentalbuyeradvocates.com.